Wanted to do an unboxing of a diecast car that I've had for a little while. I never opened it up. It's a 1969 442 W32. The W32 is I think a 1 year only option. 69. There's only less than 300 cars made. The difference between the W30 and the W32, you could get the W32 in a convertible, and it had a less potent camshaft in it so that you could run air conditioning. So you could order air conditioning on the car. So I think these were rated for 350 horsepower. The W30 was rated for 360. And there was only close to 300 cars made. So it's the rarest of the 442s. This diecast is one of 7,499. So there's a little bit more of these made. This I think is the Ertl American Muscle Mint collection. So this is later cars, and there's a little more detail on them. Still not as good as the exact detail, but they are a very detailed car. Well, let's open it up and see what we got. So it's a 69 442 W32. And it's a beautiful blue color. It's like a light blue, really nice looking car. Oh, and this one is screwed down. Okay, well that makes it a little difficult. Okay, we'll have to hold this for a second. So let's undo the screws on the bottom of this, and we can get this off. And I need a smaller screwdriver. That one's too thick. Hold on a second. Okay, we're going to try this again. I have a screwdriver now that is thinner, should work. Get these screws off the car. Let's see. And no, I thought it was off. Okay, so this is a little harder than than it should take. But okay, there we go. Okay, so here is the 442 W32 car. It's a nice model. It's not as detailed as I was thinking, because I have a couple of I've got a couple that are the mint Ertl cars, and they're more detailed than this. But it does look good. Doors open. Seats, no. Seats do not go forward. Trunk, no trunk opens. We'll see. We've got a. I'm gonna have to cut this so that we can get that open. I wasn't thinking about that. Okay, hold for a second. I'll get my scissors. So that's the 69 442 W32. It is a nice car. It's just not to the detail of some of the others. But you know, it's the color is really nice. It's a nice car. There's good detail to what it does have, but it's just not to the level of some of the other cars that I have. But no, that is the unboxing of the 442 W32. You can see underneath, it doesn't have the brake lines or the fuel lines, but you know, you can, you know, it does have detail. It's just not to that level. I wonder. So the front tires turn and the steering wheel turns. But that's it. 1969 442 W32 car.